We have completed up to question number 15. Today I am going to start question number 16. That this one, 2x minus 3 by 4 minus 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 3. Student, what is important in this question? This minus sign. This is the problem creating factor. First we take the LCM, 4 is there. So 4 to 4 cancelled out, 2x minus 3 as it is. Now this minus sign. Then if we divide 4 by 2, then 2 into x minus 1. But don't forget to put this bracket. Otherwise, you will be wrong. So minus sign as it is, 2 to the 4, this 2 as it is, 2x minus 1, this as it is. Now open the bracket, 2x minus 3 is minus 4x, 2 to the 4, and minus into minus plus 2. If you don't put this bracket, then you will write minus 4x and it will be, then you must write minus 2. But now minus into minus is plus 2. X minus 2 by 3 as it is. Now 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. And minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 4 as it is. This x minus 2 by 3 as it is. Now by cross multiplication, multiply this with this and 4 with this. So 3 into minus 2x minus 1, this step, and 4 into x minus 2. ये 4 is divide this side, so we multiply this 4 with x minus 2, and this 3 is divide this side, so we multiply minus 2x minus 1 with this 3. Now further solve it. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6x, x as it is. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 4 into x is 4x, 4 to the 8, plus into minus is minus 8. Now take this 4x this side. So it will be minus 6x minus 4x, and this minus 3 transpose this towards right hand side. So minus 6x minus 4x is equal to, this 3 will be positive, 3 minus 8. What will you get? 10 minus 10x, and 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So x minus to minus cancel, now it is plus. So x will be plus 5 by 10. No need to put this plus sign, you just write x is equal to 5 by 10. That is 1 by 2 answer. Now checking. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 in left hand side and right hand side of the given equation. In this 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, this one. So put here x is 1 by 2. Replace x by 1 by 2. 2, it was 2x, now it will be 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 as it is, and 2 into 1 by 2 because x was there, so 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and this is what, x minus 2 by 3. So replace x by 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 2 to 2 cancel, it will be 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 4. And this 2 to 2 cancel. Now 1 minus 1 is what? 0, and 0 by any number is 0. And this is what? 2 is LCM. So 1 as it is, because 2 to 2 cancel, and this 2 to the 4. So it will be 1 minus 4 by 2 upon 3. Now what is it? Minus 1 by 2. And 0, no need to write. And this is what? Minus 3 by 2. And this is divided by 3. This divide by 3. So divide by 3. I wrote it as it is. This implies minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus 3 by 2. And this divide by 3. If we change into multiply, then it will be 1 by 3. Now 3 to 3 cancel. This also minus sign and 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 17. 9 upon 2 x minus 1 minus 7 upon 2 x minus 2, this one is equal to 1 by 8 x minus 1. So this question is very important. Let us discuss now. This is given 9 upon 2x minus 1 minus 7 upon 2x minus 2, and this is 1 upon 8x minus 1. Take care, student. This is x minus 1 and this one is x minus 1. First you try to collect these terms which having the same denominator on the same side and replace this towards that side. I mean towards right hand side and these two towards left hand side. No need to put these are in the left hand side, it is compulsory. But one side is x minus 1, the denominator is same, and another side is this. This is the key point of this question. Otherwise mistake will be there. So now what you have to do? 2 and 8 LCM. What is LCM of 2 and 8? Is 8. And whenever two like terms are there, just like x minus 1 and x minus 1, both terms are same. So their LCM is only 1 times. No need to write both these. X minus 1 into x minus 1. LCM is x minus 1 and LCM of 2 and 8 is 8 into x minus 1. Now multiply this 8 into x minus 1 this side in the numerator. So x minus 1 to x minus 1 cancel and 2 4 the 8 hai. So what is left? 9 into 4. And this 8x minus 1 completely, these two cancelled out, minus 1 as it is. And this side is as it is. Now 9 into 4 minus 1 is what? 9 for the 36, 36 minus 1 is 35. And this as it is, this as it is. Now cross multiply. This into 35 and this into 7. Because this 2 into x minus 2 is divide here. It is in the denominator. So if I replace this in towards left hand side, then it will be in the numerator. So 35 into 2 into x minus 2 and 7 into 8 into x minus 4. When we replace this 7 towards this side, so it comes in denominator. Then it will cut 7 5s are 35. I directly cut it. 7 5s are 35 and 2 4s are 8. Try to understand better. This is very important. 7 5s are 35. अगर हम इस 7 को इधर लेके आएंगे तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा and then 7 5s are 35. क्लियर इट इज 2 4 जा 8. इस 2 को इधर लेके जाऊंगा तो यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. देन वी कैन कट इट. तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 5x, 5 into x 5x, 5 2 जा 10 minus 10. And this one is 4x and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So 5x minus 10 is equal to 4x minus 4. Now transpose 4x towards this side. 5x minus 4x and minus 10 is a plus sign. 10 minus 4. So 5x minus 4x is x because 5 minus 4 is 1 and x as it is. X 1 is x is equal to 6. Now checking. Put x is equal to 6 in left hand side and right hand side. Replace x with 6. So this is 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 5 2 is 10. 6 minus 2 4. 4 2 is 8. 6 minus 1 5. 5 8 is 40. Now take the LCM of 10 and 80. That is 40. Now 10 4 is 40. 4 9 is 36. And 8 5 is 40. 5 7 is 35. It will be 1 by 40. So this also 1 by 40. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the complete solution of this question.